The government on Wednesday rolled back an order mandating pre-installation of the Sanchar Saathi cybersecurity app on the smartphone sold in the country. The order to manufacturers, including American technology giant Apple, which was reportedly preparing a legal challenge, was withdrawn because the number of users who have downloaded the app has been increasing rapidly. The mandate to pre-install was meant to accelerate this process. The statement also confirms what Communication Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia said yesterday and repeated in the parliament this morning. The app can be deleted. The rollback followed 2 days of protest over concern that the pre-installation directive violates privacy rights and that the app itself could be used to spy on people. Earlier today, Scindia told the Lok Sabha, snooping is neither possible nor will it happen with the Sanchar Saathi app, and I can delete it like any other app, as every citizen has the right in a democracy. We took this step to make it accessible to all. The report, News Now.